Hey guys, so today, this week's video, we're just kind of throwing a couple things together. I didn't get a lot of time to work on projects this week because of the other video. You'll see that coming up here. Got a little bit of work caught up on the walk-behind mower. Did some patching on the deck and kind of got that taken care of. So pretty much we're down to just reassembly. Hopefully I can do that early in the week this week and have a pretty good summary video for that. Got a couple other things coming up. Just staying busy, man. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready for this rain to stop. Oh my God, can you hear that? It just keeps pouring outside. Have a storm coming through. But anyways, got this stuff up and ready to go for you. It was fighting me tonight. I was struggling trying to get it done, but I think it came together, and hopefully you'll be seeing this shortly. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hey guys, so I got tired of messing with the deck on the mower, so took it off. Found some more rust spots I want to address. They're not awful, but around a couple of the anchors. And then right here at that pivot point, there's a little bit. And right back here is where our holes are blown through. You know, a great spot for a bunch of stuff to sit and rust away. I got the whole thing sprayed down with some Dawn degreaser. Intakes taped up. We're gonna give it a quick pressure wash and see if we can make it look a little better. Make sure I can actually see everywhere that needs addressed, and then we'll address stuff and see where it goes. Alright. Got the old pressure washer here and ready to go. First use of the season. Oh. And it's raining. Perfect. Give her an inspection. See what she looks like now. 5 minutes of pressure washing. Oh my goodness. That audio is probably going to be trash. Okay, once over, got a bunch of the grease off of her. Just a couple spots to address on the deck. Now I got all the grease and the loose stuff off. We'll see where it goes. Alright, so we're going to get into cleaning up the top side of this deck. It looks a lot better after the pressure washing, but like I said, there's still some areas of concern. I want to clean up the flaky paint, clean up the rust, get a coat of paint on it, see if we can get another, 4 or 5 years out of the deck. Alright, I'm not going to do anything crazy for it, but I'm going to wipe down any excess grime I can on the areas I'm going to repaint. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a while. So I want to get the spindles rebuilt soon, because I need them kind of out of my way. But I still want to do the patching, which is actually right up here. If you could hear me over the dogs, you know. Right through there. Goal is to use some of this here, what, 18 gauge? 22 gauge. But I want to cover the holes just barely, then do a slightly bigger piece and do basically a full overlap weld. You know, wherever there's good steel left. And then I'll probably have to do a little bit of spotting up here and up here. There's a little bit starting to rot through there, and there's one spot there. Not looking for a lifetime of the deck, but if I can put a couple hours into it and get a couple years out of it, I'll be happier. Alright, we're going to focus on this big one up here. Right there first. Then we're going to work on this section over here, because that section's starting to pull through. Got a couple pieces cut up to at least get us started. Yeah, there's a hole there, there. Really good start to one, hole there. And then there's these holes here. snap, crackle, and popping. Oh yeah, you can. I guess I should adjust you up so you can see what I'll be attempting to weld. Get the grinder out and see what we can do. Camera turned off randomly, so we missed some stuff. I cut another piece for the tiny little holes over here. I've already got it mostly done. I just realized. Left you guys hanging. I did weld over a hole over here with a tiny little one. We'll see how that survives. I'm just going to finish patching this one up. Then we're going to grind, wire brush grind, and see how things look. And then probably just throw a ton of paint on it and just see if it survives for a while. We're not looking for perfection, just trying to get some extra life out of it. Alright. Give her all a look-see and see what it looks like. bring you around, show you what the welds look like. You can call me Ray Charles. I'm not here to say they're good, but they covered the holes. You can see this one. Oh, yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So this is the underside. Then we're going to flip around and show you the top side. You can see where the welds were. The majority of them here in this back corner, where everything likes to sit and hold leaves and droppings and kind of stuff. And this section right here, see, that's where the other one was. You can see my welds around the edges. And then the 2 holes, 3 holes that started it. It's pretty much that. We'll go through and clean up the top side. Try to hit everything with the same paint that I hit this with. Then see if we can get it back together enough to put the spindles back together tonight. I'll at least have some experience welding up stamped decks because they're just so thin. But hey, it's nice to learn some new stuff and make things better than they were when you got them, right? Alright, I'll get you set back up and we'll get to cleaning this up and see how nice we can make it look tonight. Probably do the spindles tomorrow. Alright. I got my mask on because I'm about to do all the grinding, but I went ahead and took the 2 pivots off. Went right here and right here. So I get more access in to make sure I actually get everything cleaned up I need to. We'll hit it with a wire wheel, see what she looks like, and probably just give her a paint. Alright. I think we'll let her sit for a couple hours. Come back and see what we can do. See if I remember where everything goes. It'll be a good time, right? Right. Alright, so deck is pretty much taken care of. Gonna start putting everything back together whenever it's dry and I have the ability to move stuff out of my garage and have it not sink. one step closer. I think I'm going to try to order a discharge chute for the mower deck. I want to make sure everything goes back together and everything works like it's supposed to, but if that all works, I'm going to get a discharge chute just to have that safety feature. It's like 15 bucks for one of the, hey, this fits everything pieces. So I'd rather have that than have somebody buy it and kid get hit with a rock or something. But I think that's hopefully the last thing I'm going to need to do for it. Like I said, I'm going to be putting it all back together this week. I sharpened the blades yesterday, didn't video that. They're pretty rough, but we're going to see what we can do with them. Trying to think what else. Hoping that's the end of that. Hoping it can be done. Put it on Facebook, see if somebody wants to buy it. Hopefully make my money back. I'm not going to make my time back, but I learned a lot, you know, messing with the mower deck, tinkering with a little bit of this, a little bit of that, so not too mad about that. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you a little teaser here at the end of some of one of the upcoming projects, and then the reason I didn't get a lot done this week. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by, hanging out in the shop. I appreciate it. Let me know what you like and what you don't like. Give me some feedback. Let me know where you guys want this to go. I'm just kind of having fun making projects. Having fun recording the projects I'm working on and sharing them with you guys. If you enjoy it, let me know. Thanks, guys. We're making some progress. It's not even the slightest bit sketchy, but we're moving. Just need to get out of the mud and we'll see how it goes. I'll let you hang out. Was back here, all the way up there. I'm trying to miss the front ruts, and I don't think we're gonna miss the front ruts. I'm not gonna have much traction until I get this mud off. Got her out. I think Renee's got some video of it, so
Sophie, get out here. Sophie. Sophie, come on.
Stuck. But I drove down there. I don't know if you can tell, it's downhill, and had no issues down there. It was as I went up the hill towards the house that I ran into a swamp patch. We'll see if I have any more issues, but I'll show off my backwoods hitch hookup for the front. That's getting welded on. I'm gonna need that, I know it. We're gonna weld that dude on sometime. That'll be another video. But I'm bringing the truck home tonight. I'm so happy. It's been out here a week. A week. It rained like 3 days this week, so there was no chance getting it out. All right, I'll video some more if anything else happens. All right, let's see how the rest of the field on the way out is. There's a couple soggy spots, so we're gonna see if we can miss them. Be the one that's really a tell. Nope. Nope, sunk right in. All right, we'll hook back up. Alright, so the audio here was unusable. I don't know if you can tell how windy it is, but I got stuck again that close to the road. Showing off the muddy stretch I got caught in. I've had my truck stuck in the same spot 3 different times. The backfield just isn't built to drive through, but if you check out these ruts here, these are the fresh ones from today. They're about 10-12 inches deep. But this is where we get the firewood for a family member that uses fire for heat. But yeah, I got stuck way back there by the semi-trailers. And then right up here. But I drove out past the semi-trailers, all the way back to the swampy area, got firewood, and then was headed back when I sunk. So, yeah. We're this close to the road. Got the last section. I've pulled on a couple of these trees before, so I have faith there's not going to be any real issues here. But I do want to show off this sketchy, but did well, little hitch setup. Not even mad about it. Quit talking, Steven. Talking about nothing. Let's get this truck out. Let's go. Yeah, there's the sketchy truck hitch setup. But hey, it worked. Got the truck out. Can't complain at all. Let's go. hopefully project this summer. International Harvester Tractor. 100% known to not be running in at least 3 years, probably closer to 6 since it ran at all, and it wasn't running right then. Let's see what we got for nameplates or anything. I know it's international. I don't know where the hood went. I'll have to find that. Have to get rid of this tree, make room. It has a plate down here. 12510 DB 2340113U 203653. Don't know if that means anything. We'll see.